Slide the sash to the center of the frame. With both hands, lift the sash as high as possible into the head track to clear the sill. Rollers can be adjusted to help clear frame. Use a screwdriver to turn the adjustment screws located on each side of the sash clockwise to lower the sash. Using a shim can also assist in clearing the rollers over the sill track. While holding the sash up, tilt the bottom edge toward you until the rollers clear the sill track. With the sash removed, locate the roller assemblies on the bottom of the sash. To remove the roller assembly, remove the 2 screws located on either side of the roller. After the screws have been removed, slide the roller assembly out of the sash. Place the new roller assembly in the same opening the old one came out of and replace the 2 screws. Ensure that adjustment screws are located so they can be accessed through access holes on the side of the sash. With the sash oriented so that the rollers are on the bottom and lock is facing the lock side jamb of the frame, hold it so it's approximately at the center of the frame. Angle the sash to insert the top of the sash into the head. Tilt the bottom of the sash towards the frame until it clears the sill. Lower the sash down onto the sill track. With the sash installed, adjust each roller to ensure that the sash fits plumb and level to the frame so that the lock will engage with the keeper and operate smoothly. To adjust rollers, turn the adjustment screws located on each side of the sash. Turning clockwise will lower the sash. Turning counterclockwise will raise the sash. Slide the sash closed.